Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot is currently moving down lower as pretty much expected and is nearly back to the previous low here from the 24th of January. This was at just about 16 or just below $16. But what is so important? I mean, I'm here on the daily chart. We are currently below those levels at which the daily candles close. So as you can see, while we did have a wick down on the 24th of January, the candles closed around $18. So we have broken with yesterday's daily candle that low, and we're heading lower. I think now that this has happened, we have basically broken this support and we're heading lower. All still within the expectation, nothing surprising at the moment. We talked about it. Talked about the weakness in the chart here. We talked about that the low is not in yet, probably not, with high likelihood not, because my target area is sitting down here, and I still think we need to get there. We can also see here on the chart currently this head and shoulders. Here you can see, you could interpret this as a head and shoulders pattern where you have your left shoulder here, you've got your head and the right shoulder here, and that we've broken the neckline basically by breaking below that $18 level, right? So Polkadot moving lower, has not gone below the previous lows of those wicks. Yeah, that was just below $16. I think it's only a question of time when that's going to happen. The faster it happens, the better, because the faster it happens, the faster the correction will be over, and then we are heading lower in this descending channel still, and I would expect the price to land in this region between where is it, between $6 and $11 or $10.50. Yeah, that is the range, starting below the wave A, going down all the way to the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. So I still think we're going to see that. The price action basically confirms that this is nothing what a crypto does that has done its correction already. We're heading down lower, and also looking at the how this sell-off is taking place currently. If I go to the 4-hour chart, it looks very impulsive, strong red candles, a little bit of consolidation, strong red candles again. So lower lows, lower highs. And overall here on the 4-hour chart, it looks like we are still approaching support. Here currently at $17.50, you can see that. But on the daily chart, that support is already broken. Even here, the head and shoulders is getting clearer and clearer. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see that the neckline is actually at $17.50. Now, what is the target of that head and shoulders? If we take the height of the head down to the neckline and we add it to the low, and that would take us down to around $12.36 if that level gets broken. I think if that level gets broken, you see quite a strong move down. I mean, look at this red candle that is getting bigger and bigger while we speak, and it's quite a strong one, for the 4-hour chart. So I would expect us to move down lower. I think in the next move down, we can get close to that target area here, the yellow target area. Also, the indicators, look at the 4-hour chart, more room to go down further, not oversold yet. The MACD has just increased selling momentum again. You can see that here. Very meaningful. Also the daily chart here as well just had a bearish crossover. We talked about it in one of the last videos that another bearish crossover was coming, and if it comes, you can expect lower prices. It's typically a sell signal. Also here on the bearish RSI, still on the RSI still in the bearish range on the daily. So overall still further price drops expected, but when this is finally complete, then I think this is where we are going to turn around, and we can expect much higher prices, new all-time high levels, because this is typically what happens after an ABC correction, which I think we are doing here at the moment. After this impulse, you have your ABC correction. This is a wave 2, and the wave 3 should go up quite strongly. I've now started for all channel members to add my 2022 outlooks with charts as well to the Discord server, and if you're interested to see that for Polkadot, make sure that you check out the channel membership. With the silver membership, you can get access to Discord, the Telegram live chat, and the weekly live stream. And I haven't added Polkadot yet, but I will do so on this weekend. Already added Bitcoin and Ethereum, and these overviews give you my outlook for 2022 and even beyond. Also on Discord, you can see my own buy and sell orders, and as I said, you can join the live chat and the weekly live stream, which is yeah, a lot of positive feedback for those and a really great community. Yeah, that's my view here on Polkadot at the moment. Unfortunately, can't give you any positive news. We need to complete the correction, need to build that lower low, and after that we have a chance to go to new all-time highs. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.